Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making my baby's hair, and it is back to school hairstyle. Like on Monday, tomorrow she's going to resume school, and I just decided to like do this protective box braids hairstyle for her. I'm just going to show you guys things that I'm going to be using for this hair, and I pray that she maintains her position. She normally don't disturb when I'm making her hair, but because of camera stuff, she's going to like worry me a bit. So guys, here is my extension that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using one extension for her hair, and I'm going to be cutting it into two. I'm using color 1, and here we have our big comb. I don't think I'm going to be needing this big comb, but I just need to like keep everything around me. Small comb, my scissors, hair clip, hairbrush, and here I have my castor oil. Yes,
this is castor oil.
Yeah, castor oil, organic castor oil. So I had to like, this is a big bottle, so I had to just pour a little here, and I'm going to be using this to bring the oil out. When I'm done with the hair, I'm going to be using this on her hair moisture, and then water spray. Normally my water, I used to mix it with hair oil. So guys, right now I'm going to be telling you some secret. This is natural hair, and spraying it with water, spraying water on the natural hair helps you to like moisturize the hair and be able to like split the hair when you want to braid. I'm not going to be using any cream because I have oil already inside here. But if you are a beginner and you don't know how to like,
that was punching me.
Okay, mommy, wait. So if you are a beginner and you don't know how to clip hair, if you don't know how to like hold the hair from the beginning like very tight, and then you are learning, I'm going to advise you not to add oil or hair cream to the hair. Yes, because the hair is going to be like slipping from your hand. So for me, there is oil here and water to help me like moisturize the hair, guys. For us not to talk too much, because I'm actually calculating the time and following the time, I'm just going to go straight to the hair. So here I'm going to be cutting my hair.
Situation. You worthy of a million more the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, no you can't.
So guys, I made a mistake when I said I'm going to be cutting the extension into 2. You can see the way I'm cutting it. I actually cut it into 4. And then before I'll fish them out and then comb it and start using it for my braids.
My trauma, give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy when you go.
So here I have a Vaseline that I'm going to be applying to my extension. Normally you use hair cream like apple hair cream, but because I don't have apple hair cream or other hair creams that they use for extension, that is why I'm using the available cream that I have in the house, which is the Vaseline that I'm applying. So here, my daughter's hair, I actually made a protective twist for her since I wasn't ready to make the hair, and now that I want to make the hair, you can see the way I'm doing it. It is washed, and I'm like spraying it with my water mixed with oil on the hair and losing the hair, after which I'm going to be combing it, and then before we start braiding.
Tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way.
So we finished losing the twist, and as you can see, it's time for us to start the braiding. You can see the way I'm splitting it. I'm going to be cutting it box cutting. So I'll say you should wash my hand and see how I'm going to be applying or picking the hair with the extension.
Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence I careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb the way you dress and gone. Flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage. You got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends. Know you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run, run. You don't know what I need. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep, beep. I don't care about you. I just care about me. So you better run, run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my control.